Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can make upwards of $1,000 per month just by reading. This is a great little website that I just stumbled upon, and I've gotten started with it recently and started earning a little bit of more money on the side. And also I've talked to a few others who are really making a good living doing this. It's a super easy thing to do, and if you like reading, then this is even great. Why not make money doing it? So let's jump into it. The website here is called ACX, and basically ACX is for authors who want to try and make some more money from their books by turning them into audiobooks. So as you can see here, turn your book into an audiobook. And ACX is a platform which allows authors to do that and then have those audiobooks distributed through the major platforms here, Audible, Amazon, and iTunes. So it's another way, another income stream for authors to monetize their books. And where we can come into this is we can be the voice of those audiobooks. Um, yeah, so you've got lots of people on here offering their voices, to narrate these books and earning a buck from doing it. It's a really great service, and all you're really doing is reading a book into a microphone and getting paid to do it. So, um, this would be us here. Are you an actor or producer? You don't have to be an actor. It just says that because this service is quite marketable to actors. They do a lot of voice work, but it doesn't matter. You don't have to be an actor to voice these audiobooks. You can really be anyone. So yeah, it's a really great way to make money online. So if we go into here under search, you go titles accepting auditions. So basically how it works is you've got a range of books here waiting to be turned into audiobooks. As you can see here, 1,402 titles. So that's a lot of books that need to be turned into audiobooks. And what you're going to do is you're going to find one and submit an audition, which is basically done by reading a small passage, recording yourself reading a small passage, and submitting that to the author, and the author will go through and pick which voice they like for the book. So with this, you can start making money straight away. But the key here is it's a numbers game. So you wanna be submitting as many auditions as you can, because basically the wider you spread your net, the more fish you're gonna catch. So basically, the more books you audition to read for, the more likely you are to get the opportunity to record and earn some money. So if we go into one of these books as an example, let's have a look. Oh, this one looks pretty good. E-commerce, another great way to make money online. But here we've got the title: E-commerce 2019, the beginner's strategy and marketing guide to Amazon FBA dropshipping, merged by Amazon, Shopify, and eBay. So if you go down here, it's about the title, so it just gives you a brief description. This one's come up with a whole bunch of code there. And then if you go to audition, if you're ready to audition, view the audition script below, or log in to upload your completed audition. And here's the script. So this one here has just got a small passage, small paragraph for you to read. Some books here, they do have a link down here, which opens a Word doc, and that is a full page for you to read. So whatever it is, they just want to hear a sample of what it sounds like of you reading a book. With this, it might not have any dialogue, but if you want to do a novel, sometimes you can put on some voices to create the characters. So you can have a lot of fun with it. Um, so yeah, what you want to do here is you can filter these books, so you can go into compensation, and if you want to do you can go for the highest paying ones if you like. There's not normally any there. Oh, there is one here. He kindly stopped me. This one, because it pays so much, it's probably going to be very competitive. This one's a bit better laid out than the previous book. It gives you a bit more information here. Pay attention to gender. Accent is great. It says not specified, so they're not looking for any particular accent. And if you go to Audition, see, this one has download Audition script, which I won't do at this stage, but that will probably be a full page for you to read and audition. So when it has a budget like that, a specified budget, that means they pay you straight away just for reading the book, but it is a one-off payment. You can turn this into a passive income if you like, and that by to find the ones that will give you a passive income, you want to look for royalty share. So what this does is this gives you a split of the profit made once the audiobook has been published and is available on the marketplace. So you don't get paid any fee up front for doing the recording. So it is a bit more risky because you're relying on the sales of the book, of the audiobook. But once you've done the recording, and if you do profit share, as you can see here, 1,235 titles. That's most of them are offering profit share. It means that the author doesn't have to pay you as a narrator straight away, but you both get to split the profits for the years that audiobook is available. So this is the best way. Royalty share is really the best way you want to go about it to earn that passive income. So if you go down here, I just want to show you the different ways that they can pay you. Benefit. Let's go find it here. It'll be here somewhere. Here we are. So this is from the viewpoint of the author. Basically, there are three ways that they can choose to make money. So pay for production is the first one. Basically, the author earns 40% from the sale on Audible, Amazon, and iTunes, which means these platforms take 60% of the sale, which is quite a lot. And the author is left with 40%. Sorry. They also get to earn. They can also distribute it on other platforms as well, and earn a little less. And their cost is a one-time fee for producing the video straight away. So that's what you get paid. Royalty share here is here. So yeah, the earnings get split between you and the author. See, the author gets less; they get 20%, but you get 50%. But they pay nothing upfront to you as the reader. And do it yourself is very much the same as pay for production, except they do everything, so they read the books themselves. So yeah, this is a great way to make money. I highly recommend getting involved. It's a great little platform. It's one that, like I said, you want to do the numbers and just go at it. So yeah, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you